Here's Scud Lightning. Scud Lightning, one of our favorites. It's appropriate to play this time of year. Spooky, scary skeletons. Scud Lightning.
Spooky, scary skeletons send shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek. We're so sorry, skeletons, you're so misunderstood. You only want to socialize, but I don't think we should. 'Cause spooky, scary skeletons shout startling, shrilly screams. They'll sneak from their sarcophagus and just won't leave you be. Supernatural, or shy, what's all the fuss? The bags of bones seem so unsafe, it's semi-serious. Spooky, scary skeletons are silly all the same. They'll smile and scrabble slowly by and drive you so insane. Sticks and stones will break your bones, they seldom let you snooze. Spooky, scary skeletons will wake you with a boom.
Thank you, Scud Lightning. What an interesting artist. Spooky, scary skeletons. And it's getting closer to Halloween. Thank you, Scud Lightning.